Welcome back to Car Fusion, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews, detailed insights, and everything you need to know about the most exciting cars hitting the market. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the automotive world, the 2026 Mazda RX-7. This legendary sports car has returned with a modern twist while staying true to the spirit that made it an icon. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 carries forward the RotaryEngine legacy, something enthusiasts have been waiting to see revived. Mazda has equipped the car with a next-generation rotary hybrid system that combines performance with efficiency. The RotaryEngine works alongside an electric motor, delivering an impressive balance of power and eco-friendly technology. With around 400 horsepower under the hood, the RX-7 is built to deliver thrilling acceleration and sharp performance while maintaining fuel efficiency that is far better than previous generations. From the outside, the RX-7 embraces a sleek and aggressive design language that blends Mazda's Kodo design philosophy with futuristic elements. The front end is sculpted with sharp LED headlights and a wide grille that gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. Aerodynamic efficiency has been prioritized, with smooth curves and a low stance that not only look stunning but also improve handling at high speeds. The coupe silhouette with a long hood and short rear deck pays homage to the classic RX-7 design while reinterpreting it for the modern era. Step inside the cabin and you are greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that emphasizes both comfort and control. Mazda has integrated premium materials throughout, with leather, Alcantara, and high-quality finishes giving the RX-7 a luxurious yet sporty feel. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable performance data while the large infotainment screen supports the latest connectivity features including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mazda's advanced navigation system. The seating is designed for both spirited driving and everyday comfort, with bolstered sports seats that hold you firmly during sharp maneuvers. When it comes to performance, the RX-7 shines with its lightweight chassis, perfectly balanced weight distribution, and precision-tuned suspension. The rotary hybrid powertrain delivers instant torque from the electric motor combined with the high-revving thrill of the rotary engine. This combination allows the RX-7 to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds, making it a true competitor in the sports car segment. Handling has always been a strength of the RX-7 and the 2026 model continues that tradition with sharp steering response and exceptional cornering ability. Safety and driver assistance technologies are also included, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a host of other advanced features ensuring that the RX-7 is as safe as it is thrilling to drive. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 is more than just a revival. It is a statement from Mazda that innovation and passion for driving still define the brand. With its rotary hybrid technology, stunning design, and engaging driving dynamics, it is set to capture the hearts of enthusiasts once again. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more in-depth car reviews and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to Car Fusion for more exciting content.